students, how are you today? Okay, now, please stand up. Before we start, you may sit down first. Take a seat. So for today, I have 2 vocabulary words that I'm going to show you. The first one is we have, what is this? Huh? Again, powder, what is this? Okay, ball. What kind of ball is this? Is this basketball? What ball is this? Again, what's this? Volleyball. Okay, so we have volleyball. What color is this ball? What color? Yellow and? Okay, so we have volleyball. This is color yellow and blue. Next vocabulary word, we have this one. What's this? Huh? Basket. Okay, so we have basket. So our game for today is we have shoot the ball. Okay, chair ball. We have a chair ball. So this one, you will shoot the ball into the, what's this? Basket. Let's try Title. Title, can you stand up? And we will demonstrate what is chair ball. What? Listen. You listen. You listen to Title. We will shoot the ball. Title. You look at Title, ha? Title, you shoot the ball, okay? 1, 2, 3. Very good. Okay, ball. Next, let's try Chache. Chache, you say shoot the ball, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Shoot the ball. Louder, now speak louder. 1, 2, 3. Shoot the ball, ha? You say shoot the ball. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Next. 1. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, go. Shoot the ball. This is table. Shoot the ball. Okay, very good. Next. This time. Shoot the ball. Okay. Very good. Okay. Shoot the ball. Shoot the ball. Very good. Next. Shoot the ball. Okay. Next. Cut it. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Very good. Okay, very good. Today. Okay. Okay. Very good. Next. Okay, next. Okay, next.